Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we got this 5x5 closure wig. Got some curls, waves going on with some highlights. Very summerish, very sundressy, very Miami, very vacation, quick type of pop-on wig. I literally can take this wig right off. So if y'all want to see how I hook this wig up and put my little Paris twist, little Paris touch on it, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so this is how the hair came in its natural state. These highlights are bomb. I must say, Neflyonwigs, I must say, y'all did that with the coloring, because sometimes these AliExpress companies, they color the hair or pre-do the highlights and stuff like that, and they come out very botchy, very just uneven, brassy. It just looks a little ugly sometimes, but this color bomb. I love everything about it. I should have got this in the frontal, but the closure work, whatever. But I have so many plucking videos, as I mentioned in every video. I try to make sure I say it in every video just in case you're a new viewer. I don't want to expect you to know my techniques or be into all my videos, which if you're new to my channel and you watch this video for the first time, hey boo girl, go watch my other videos, watch some story times, watch some, you know, all that period. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna do my typical plucking technique and just get this natural looking. One thing about a closure, if you're gonna try to make it look like a frontal, you gotta get the plucking. You don't wanna bald it. We don't bald the hair, but you do wanna get to plucking. So watch my pattern. I do the pluck skip pattern, which is you pluck one section, and then you leave a little gap, and then you pluck again. So you kind of see that little pattern right there. I'm just gonna repeat that all throughout the hair, and then I'm gonna show you the final product in a second. Y'all, this comb was so cheap and it broke as soon as I combed through this hair. I was so mad. I had to throw that away. But look at how good that was plucked. And then I left that little V shape right there. Yes, frontal vibes. Now, I did cut the combs out of my wig previously. Y'all know I hate those extra combs besides the back comb. I cannot stand them. And then I also tinted the lace with my RK by Kiss concealer. It's very quick. It's not messy. It's very pigmented. I highly suggest it. And it's also inexpensive. So if you one of those girls who are on a budget, you don't want to spend too much on making your lace look as natural as possible, whether it's lace tint or something. I know some people lace tint don't really work with them, so you want to use makeup. I don't recommend foundation. I will never recommend foundation. If it works for you, that's good for you, but I'm going to use cream concealer because it's less messy and it still is pigmented as the foundation, just saying. So I'm about to go in. I'm also going to add my baby hairs. Another trick to having your closure wig look like a frontal, you don't technically have to do baby hairs, but I would suggest that you do some natural baby hairs just to kind of distract the hairline, because with a closure, hairline is straight across. There's no cutting in certain zigzags. Yeah, you could do that. You're going to be able to see it, and you want to be able to put it on and off. They're going to see it. Like, don't let nobody tell y'all nothing different. I'm just saying, me personally, I would do a little bit of baby hairs. You don't got to make them super thick. Y'all going to see in a second how I did my baby hairs. Throw a little bit of baby hairs in there and you're good. You can even shift the wig to the side. Remember, you could take it on and off if it don't fall too deep to the side, which I wish I would have done in this video. I wish I would have just shifted it to the side. It probably would have looked way more natural, but I was just working with the natural part of the wig. Also, you can do this with a 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, even a 7x7, of course. It's all in the technique and the plucking, and you just got to take your time with it. Be patient. Do not bald your wig, especially if you wear your wig all the time. If you bald that wig, that's it. You're going to have to replace it. It's going to be a whole big thing. Be very careful and just watch our body this real quick. Now, I know somebody's gonna ask me what I use for my baby hairs. I use the Eco Styler gel. I feel like it has a good balance between wet enough that you can move it around, but it's not so thick that if you build it up, it's gonna look stringy. Like, it's the perfect balance between mousse and actual like gel or jam or some type edge control. That's really what I wanted to say, edge control. Mousse and edge control, it's like right in the middle. I would highly suggest this, and this will have your baby hairs looking so fire, and they will stay and hold. Trust me, they're gonna look good. Preferably, like I said, this is what I like to use. Some people use Got2b gel. Some people use, I guess, other type of gel. I don't know what they got going on, but this is what I use, the Eco Styler gel. So go get you some Eco Styler, girl, and get them baby hairs popping. Do not. Are you listening to me? Yes, you, the beginner. Do not put too much Eco Styler gel on your baby hairs. Please take baby little scoops. Do not OD. I'm telling you, a little goes a long way, and you're gonna wind up putting too much, and then it's gonna look a hot, oily, stringy mess. Do not do it. Take your time. Take a little bit at a time, and just work your way up. You'll be fine. Trust me. Even if you gotta go over a few times with the same little scoop you had, take your time. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look of this. I think this is a 5x5 closure wig, and if you like me and you like this flip over method, or you just like quick hairstyles that look super natural and it doesn't look like it took you like 30 minutes to put it on, this is definitely the type of wig. Because look at this wig. I don't even have my sides out, nothing. I just decided to tuck it behind my ear just a little bit, just to give it an illusion. You know, the longer the people look, the more they can clock it. So it's just like, don't stay for too long. You already kind of know what's up. Period. But yes, y'all, look at this wig. And one thing that really got me about this wig, I want the waves to like wave up already, because my hair's already it's still kind of wet, so you can't really tell. But I love the color. I love wigs like this, and I love curly wigs with highlights. Bomb, shell, summertime, fall, winter, spring. It falls for every single season. Every season it looks really good. So I'm happy of how this came out. It took me no time actually to put it on my head and stuff like that. And then on top of that, I did go in and pluck it, as y'all saw. It was super easy to pluck. And one thing about me, I love a wig that's easy to pluck. I hate those wigs with the dense lace. It's just so annoying. That's pretty much it for this wig. Let me zoom out a little bit so y'all can see what's going on. Alright, y'all, so yes, this is the final look. On my little outro at the end, I'm gonna show y'all the whole 360 of this hair and everything like that. So if you guys like this look, make sure y'all look in the description box to the link to this exact wig. It's very inexpensive, it's bomb, and the lace is bomb. Coming from me, y'all know y'all know me, I don't give too much credit sometimes, and this is a very, very pretty wig for this season right now. It's summertime. So anyways, tell me how y'all think about this look. Tell me if y'all would prefer a 5x5 rather than a frontal. Some people rather do this with like a closure wig instead of doing it a frontal. I'm personally a frontal girl, so I just like the whole frontal look, which is why I just went in with the baby hairs. Well, I didn't go in, but it looks super natural. It looks like a frontal, right? That's the point. Anyways, let me know y'all thoughts down below in the comments, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, loves.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down.